guys, and today we'll be doing shrink plastic keyrings. You will need a pack of A4 shrink plastic, keyrings, permanent markers, resource sheets with pictures on, scissors, a hole punch, a baking tray and baking paper. Grab yourself one of the clear sheets of shrink plastic and have a little look through the designs and decide what you'd like to do for your first keyring. I've chosen the pop-up BAM and I'm going to place it underneath the clear plastic ready to trace. I'm putting it right in the top corner so I can see how many I can fit onto a sheet. The more you can fit on, the better. Make sure that the pens that you are using are permanent markers. If they aren't, they'll rub straight off the plastic and you'll lose your design. I strongly recommend getting sharpies. As you can see, I've coloured in my design. I have matched the colours, but obviously you can choose whatever colours you want. It doesn't have to be the same as the design that you are tracing. Next, you need to get ready to cut your design out. When you are cutting, make sure that your scissors stay open at the end rather than shutting together. This will ensure that the plastic doesn't split. It is completely up to you if you want to cut a halo effect like I have around my design, or if you want to cut right up to the pen line. If your design is going to be for a keyring, make sure that you punch a hole using a hole punch. If you don't punch a hole at this stage, you won't be able to do it later on, as the plastic gets thicker after it's been in the oven. Repeat these steps for as many keyrings that you want to make. For my resource sheets, I just put a selection of images onto a piece of paper. These pictures are things that the children love, so like Harry Potter, Pokemon, superheroes, and then I've done more general things like makeup, flowers, air balloons, rugby and football. Another thing that you can make with shrink plastic is earrings. For this, I don't need to create holes because I'm just going to stick them with a glue gun onto studs. I am drawing around a glue stick lid so I can create perfect circles and create my own design for my studs. Line your baking tray with the baking paper and space your plastic about 2 centimeters apart. Yay! Now we're ready for the best part. Now it's time to put the tray in the oven. Your oven needs to be turned on at 165 degrees Celsius. It doesn't matter if you preheat it, you will just see the plastic curl quicker if you preheat it. This is the best bit. This is where everyone wants to see what the plastic is doing. The plastic's got its own little dance moves going on, it's curling, it's flipping around, doing some real cool moves. When you take the plastic out of the oven, leave it on the baking tray to cool down. If you have any plastic that hasn't fully flattened, get the base of a glass and press gently onto the plastic, and it will help flatten it out whilst it's still warm. We can now add the keyring to our pieces of plastic. Just thread the loop through the hole. There you have it, keyrings that you can attach to your bag, to your pencil case, to your keys. And here are the earrings that I made earlier. I simply glued on the pieces of plastic using a glue gun onto some studs. See you next time for more art with Miss Burford.